All right. Now it's your turn. You will have a choice between completing task A or task B. Task A. I want to demonstrate for you what this might look like. You can click on this link right here or use the QR code for this activity. When you click on the link, I will do that for you right here. You go into this document, and here's what it looks like. You're going to copy and paste all of the text from this document, and you're going to put it into whatever AI bot you want to use. And when you paste it into the website, you're going to add your details to the classroom challenge, grade level, topic, context under the prompt piece. And I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. I just showed you the document, and here I added a little direction. Here's the place right here between these two parentheses. And what I would do is highlight this and just replace it with the text that you want to put in. This is where you put in your own classroom behavior challenge. That's naming and possibly reframing as well. Okay, so you put that into the bot, and then you run it through your AI engine. A tip for this is to ask the bot you're using to ask you clarifying questions about this task. So there's task A, you've got that choice. The other choice is task B, and I'll demonstrate task B for you and show you the results from two different bots. All right, so again, this is a different link. You're going to take the table from this link and plug it into an AI bot from the platform of your choice. Here's the table. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to move this around so you can see it. All right, so I've already filled in my own example, and I used a leadership example, but it's the same process for a classroom example. These are all, the ones that are filled in are all classroom examples. Harriet didn't know what to do. Felix failed the lab project. Jorge refused to take the unit test. Here's a leadership challenge. Attendance rates for Black students who have IEPs are declining. And then it sounds like there might be some systematic barriers or cultural disconnects affecting student engagement and access. And now I'm just going to take and I'm going to go to the bottom right-hand corner of this table, and I'm going to highlight the entire table and all of the text in it. And then I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to put it in to the bot. And here's what it looks like. That's what it looks like when you paste it into the bot. And I'll show you what I got as a result. For this one, I used Poe AI. I find that Poe AI is really easy for me to use. And it also has like a sub bot, which is Ludia. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take your own problem of practice and fill in the name or reframe steps. You can do that for one or two or three examples, or as many as you like, and direct your preferred bot to complete the table. And so here's the leadership example. Attendance rates for Black students who have IEPs are declining. Sounds like there might be some systematic barriers or some cultural disconnects. And then here's what I can do. So let me show you the results I got. I took the same prompt and put it into different bots, and it's the prompt from that table. And I just showed you how to do that table. And here are the different responses that I got. So you can take a look at these for yourself. You can pause for a moment and read through and kind of compare the level and the depth and the complexity of the responses from different bots. And Poe AI is a great kind of all-purpose bot. Ludia is developed specifically with universal design for learning in mind. So there's that. So you can choose either task A or task B. And then on the Canvas site, you'll find these questions. What worked well? What were problems in the solution? Were there any problems in the solution, first of all? And if so, what were they? And if you want to, take your simple prompt and put it in two different engines and see what happens. Um, the other thing to think about is, can you think of ways to further refine your own search to get more accurate and efficient results? You're going to post your answers to a discussion board.